Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I will be walking through the steps on how to reset your Pixel 7a. This particular device is with Verizon Wireless. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. This tutorial also should work on any similar devices from any other service providers. Let's go ahead and start by turning off the device. You want to press the power and the volume up key to get the option that you want to power off or restart your device. Go ahead and press them together. Then go ahead and power off your device. Once the device is completely turned off, you want to press the volume down key and the power to get to the recovery screen. So you want to go ahead and do that. You get to this menu right here. You want to use the volume up key to navigate. Keep scrolling until you get to the recovery mode. Then go ahead and press the power key to confirm that option. The device will restart, then it will take you to no command screen. Then right here you want to press the volume up key and the power. You want to press them multiple times together until you get to the menu. Keep pressing. Once you get to this right here, go ahead and scroll down to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then you want to press the power key to confirm. Then scroll down to the second option and press the power key once again. Once that is done, you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is the end of our video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for your support as always. I will see you next time.